I think they may be above me. I think, oh, below me. They might be below me. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to destroy the ground a little bit. After I just get this. No! Okay, quickly.